Okay, we are ready. So, Andrew, I don't think you need any introduction, so I would say the stream is yours.
Hey, everybody. Thank you, Maurice. This is great. I am so happy to see this happening right now. Benjamin, you did a great talk. That was really informative. It was fun, and it was exciting and useful. So thank you. And you clearly put a lot of effort into preparing that. So thank you. That's great content. Likewise with Isaac, it's clear that you prepared, you practiced, you have like content ready to go. It's really cool. Thank you for investing your time in that. It's you're creating you're creating opportunities for other people to learn and get involved and grow their careers and all that kind of stuff, right? Like you're putting the effort in that makes this project have life. So thank you for that, and thank you to Boris for starting all this, for starting Zig Showtime, and for that lit intro. That was awesome. Right, and I love this idea because the whole point of Zig is to enable people to create. That's it. We want people to be able to create programs, create learning material for other people, help each other grow, help each other learn. And the whole point of Zig is to get out of your way so that you can do that. So Zig Showtime is a wonderful format for the community to help each other just create with each other. So I'm super into this, and I want to encourage everyone to get involved if you feel like if you feel like you have an idea, like maybe you're thinking to yourself, well, I'm interested in I don't know, games or memes or whatever, but I don't know if my content is good enough. Who cares? Just try it out. You can make a blog post. You can submit your talk to Loris, so we can do another Zig Showtime. Like, we're all just here just to hang out and to create with each other. And I love that. Super happy to see this happening. Let's see, what else have I got here? Okay, I have one note about the Zig community, and then I have a sort of like teaser announcement. One thing that I think is worth pointing out is the sort of decentralized nature of the Zig community. I don't think that we have the community of Zig, and I think that that's a strength because everyone's different. People like to communicate with each other in different ways. They like to have different patterns of interacting. They like to operate under different rules, and that's okay. There doesn't have to be a monolithic way that it's supposed to work. And so that's what I've experimented with just by putting a little note in the wiki. That's all I did, as I just wrote on the wiki. There's no the community. There's no official community. It's just whoever wants to take charge, whoever wants to create a place for people to gather, do whatever. Great, do it. So make your own rules. Get people to want to join you. Do it your way. And that's the decentralized way that we're doing this, because that's how we can avoid one central entity controlling us and telling us like, oh well, we have all the money, so you have to do what we want. We're stronger than that by being decentralized. And so I really appreciate Loris taking the effort to just create this Showtime. I didn't tell him to do it. He just said, I'm going to make this thing happen, and he made it happen. That's exactly the spirit that's going to make this project succeed. Right. Okay, and finally, I have an announcement about the Zig Software Foundation. Zig Software Foundation is an officially recognized nonprofit entity in New York State. It's active. We've had our first board meeting. We've passed the resolution to get a bank account. So things are happening. The last step in the process is getting official tax-exempt status from the IRS. And once that happens, I'm going to make an official big announcement on the internet, try to get some more donations from different organizations that have a budget for donating to nonprofits, and try to hire people. So that's going to be the next step here. As Benjamin Fang noted, I am but one person. I'm currently the only person getting paid to merge pull requests, deal with issues, do all this stuff. And I would love to bring more money into the ecosystem and just help people, actually be able to make a living doing, at least to some degree, we can get some people to make a living doing this. So that's what I'm trying to accomplish. We'll see how it goes. My lawyer is working on the last step of getting IRS tax exempt status, and after that is the big, public announcement to try to get some more cash flow so that we can hire people. And that's it. That's all I have for you. So I'm going to ask Loris to take over again, and thank you very much for your time. Looking forward to the next Zig Showtime.
Thank you.